Good morning, guys. Time to take the G80 M3 with the straight pipes out to the street, do some testing. Let's hear some sound clips, see how she rides, guys. Let's go. We are on our way to the shop, the Euro Wizards, brand new shop out here in Florida, Newport Richey, Tampa area, Clearwater. You guys definitely come check them out. We're gonna be going and installing catless downpipes with a mid pipe on my BMW G80 M3 competition, right guys? This is gonna be the most insane exhaust setup for what I have right now. It should do like great numbers on it. We should definitely make more power. It should sound awesome. Let's get to it. All right guys, we are straight piping the G80. Got the Mad 3.5-inch catless downpipes, and then I have the AutoWorks, or whatever it's called, I forgot what it's called. I think it's the AutoWorks mid pipe. Essentially just goes back and straight pipes it up until the muffler in the back. Gets rid of the secondary cats, get rid of the primary cats. Should perform and sound awesome. All right guys, we're gonna get a little startup video. Hear what it sounds like while it's stock, completely stock, guys, completely stock exhaust. Let's get a little startup video to see what she sounds like. Start her up. Little rev. Completely stock. Okay guys, I did just pull out the stock cats. Definitely restrictive. And we got the turbos here. Turbo there. Some cats are out. Some nice looking turbies. Don't look like anything's wrong with them. Look at that, that's pretty big. These are like F54 size turbos. Pretty much Franken Turbo F54 size. Guys, Jacob lined it up for us. I'm gonna cut the exhaust right there. Get rid of those 2 catalytic converters and 2 resonators. So restricted. All right, guys, here is the exhaust. We kept the stock muffler, but we went all the way back with the X pipe, active AutoWorks, right to the catless downpipes, right back. So it's essentially straight pipe, no resonators, no cats, just the muffler. And right now the muffler's valves are closed. Wait until you guys hear when it's open. Not even misfiring, guys. It just sounds a little choppy. I like it. This ain't no N54 stuff, guys. The car don't misfire. That's just some natural shot. This shit's badass. Let's hear it under some load. All right, guys, we're gonna do some testing with the straight pipe G80 M3 comp. I do have it tuned on a JB4 now, running E40. The tune's really for E30, but I'm running E40 right now just to be safer because I don't have an ethanol sensor. I gotta be honest with you guys, I'm not a fan of JB4. I've been trying to get some 60 to 130s for you guys on this car and myself, because according to MHD, these cars run like 5 seconds 60 to 130s on an E50 blend, and I've have E40 in the tank on the E30 tune. It's been hitting like 26, 27 PSI, sometimes 28, which is a decent amount. But the thing is, there's some power cut. The car's having some like big power cut around 115 miles an hour. So I don't know what's going on with that. I know a few people in the groups do have issues with the JB4 doing that as well. All I'm saying is, like, I'm not happy with the JB4, guys. I'm definitely not going to be going this route any longer. Honestly, I don't even want to ride the car or floor it too much with the JB4 because my tuner has looked at it. It does send the car lean a lot. We kind of fixed that up, adjusting the fuel open loop. It has helped, but the AFR has been going too lean, guys. It's been pulling boost to save the motor, and I'm just not a big fan of the JB4, guys. Stand up for the JB4 solely on the car. I'm not a big fan because it just doesn't run right. So yeah, guys, not the biggest fan of JB4. I don't think it runs right for this platform by itself solely, maybe with an MHD back-end flash, but no, I don't like the piggyback, guys. I don't like it. It doesn't run right. But let's just go ahead and listen to some sound clips. We're gonna do some pulls. You guys can hear it. The videos don't do it justice, guys, but it's okay. It's all right. You'll still get the gist of it. It's fucking badass. The car's fast as hell. It doesn't even hook, but I know it's lacking a lot on the JB4. I got the catless downpipes, I got the intakes, and then the straight pipe, mid pipe back. All right, you guys ready to hear it? Sliding everywhere, guys. Spinning. And just listen to the pops. This is no tune, this is stock. Ready for this? That was all over the place. No cops. So as you guys can hear, this fucking G80 M3 with the straight pipe is absolutely amazing. I will not be uploading any more videos soon, guys. For a little bit, I will be having a baby. So my focus will be on my new daughter. Since I will be off of work for a week or two, I will be sending the DME out to Russia or Finland to get it unlocked, and we will be running an MHD custom tune by David Shoop here on the next video that you guys see. So stay tuned, stay excited. This shit's gonna be fun, guys. This is gonna be awesome. This car is gonna be a 9-second car. We're gonna take it to the drag strip at Bradenton, and we're gonna run a 9 with just a downpipe and an E50 tune only, guys. That's it. Downpipes, E50 tune, and we will be running a 9-second quarter mile, 5 seconds 60 to 130. It's absolutely incredible what this platform's capable of, guys. It's absolutely incredible, and I cannot wait to have a car that's pretty much faster than my fully built 335i with just an email and a pipe with no catalytic converters. Like, that alone is the craziest thing. Like, that is insane. So, and the engine's built stronger. So, all right, guys, that's all I have for this video. Stay tuned on the next one. It's about to get real in the G series, guys. Peace out.